ISO-Chemie. Use the blue technology.
The ISO-TOP WINFRAMER products are the in-front-of-wall installation systems from ISO-Chemie. We are the only manufacturer to have combined a range of products to develop different systems. One of these is WINFRAMER Type 1. It is a polyurethane board with an insulating core. These systems can be custom produced to suit the individual building specifications with projections of 80 to 200 mm. The second type is WINFRAMER Type 3, which is made from a thermopore, a high-density EPS. This system is available in sizes from 80 to 180 mm. Both systems can be used to install windows in the thermal insulation level and offer optimum load transfer and sealing of the window. WINFRAMER Type 1 has been further developed to create WINFRAMER Type 1 E30. Let's take a look at this. Here again you can see a polyurethane sheet. It is a greyish colour. The material we can see here is an intumescent material, which means that it will swell up in the event of a fire. That is exactly what we can see here. When exposed to a certain temperature, this material swells up and closes off gaps that are caused by deformation due to the heat exposure. Gaps open up and allow smoke and fire to penetrate into the building. This WINFRAMER Type 1 E30 material is a simple way to increase fire protection and thus increase the safety of the residents.